Finding the best PC case for $50 was extremely hard, but this Gamemax Vista WM Micro-ATX computer case with 270-degree view tempered glass cost only $53 at the time of this review from Newegg. So let's dive into the review. First, look at the specs. It's a Micro-ATX form factor case. It supports Micro-ATX and ITX motherboard, 270-degree tempered glass, supports 360mm radiator on the top or bottom, supports VGA card length up to 410mm. It allows up to 920mm fans. It allows up to 265mm length PSU. It allows up to 165mm height CPU cooler. It has 5 PCI slot motherboard supports and cost only $53 at the time of this review. Now let's look at the ports. All the I/O ports on the top of the case. Starting from the right, we have a LED mode button, USB 3, multiple USB 2 ports, combo audio port, reset button, and hard drive LEDs, and a power button. Now let's talk about design and build quality. First, build quality. I have to say I'm extremely impressed with the build quality of the PC case. The tempered glass is really good and has some weight to it, and overall attention to detail is impressive. I could not find any flaws or misalignment or unneeded manufacturing gaps in this case. It has impressive dust filtering options all around the case. I extremely love the design. It is clean with unique mesh design. The power supply and a hard drive compartment is in the bottom of the case. It overall looks quite good in person and keeps the whole package in a nice compact form factor. The overall 270-degree tempered glass design is picking up steam. A lot of high-end PC manufacturers like Lian-Li and Jansbo and many more are adapting to this new design. Integrated front and side tempered glass panel gives a clean open glass view and provides a gorgeous display for all the PC hardware components. And you can show your artwork. The glass is shipped with protective film on both sides, so remove it for more clear view if you want. Both tempered glass panels are removable. The side panels can be removed by removing 2 screws for the side panel and sliding the panel backwards and tilt to remove it. It is extremely easy. It hugs the case very well and gives you a premium case feel. The front glass panel can be removed by removing 2 screws behind the back panel as well. The whole PC case is covered by fine mesh. It provides an outstanding cooling system and unrestricted airflow. It depends what configuration you choose. The PC case supports 9 total PC fans and also supports 360mm liquid I/O on the top and bottom, depending on your preference. The unrestricted airflow dissipates heat quickly, and there are great filters all around the case. So starting from the top, it is a magnetic filter with outstanding build quality and magnetic strength to stay in place. The second filter is in the bottom of the PC case where power supply goes and helps filtering dust for power supply fan. It is also magnetic but has been nicely secured in its own holder. The third filter is on the side back panel. It is also magnetic with great magnetic strength. All these filters are placed at the right locations, and the build quality of these filters are as good or even better than the Lian-Li O11 PC cases from my experience. The PC case can support ITX and Micro-ATX form factor motherboards, but I won't be surprised it can support ATX motherboard as well with some well thought out configuration. The PC case has great cable management support. There are a ton of cable management panels all around the motherboard panel, and for the power supply cable routing from the bottom to the motherboard and installed fans. The PC case can support multiple form factor fan supports and liquid cooler support configuration as well, and can allow many SSD or hard drives installations. The chassis can equip with up to 2 3.5-inch hard drives and 1 2.5-inch SSD, or the other configuration can be 1 3.5-inch hard drive with 2 2.5-inch SSD configuration. The hard drive tray is in the bottom, or you can also install the hard drives on the back of the case, which allows to easily install and replace or easy upgrade option down the road. All these great package with a compact form factor with overall 550mm height and 210mm width and 433mm length. Great job by Gamemax. Let's do the final summary. Gamemax Vista WM case is available in black or white color option. The overall build quality is outstanding with excellent 270-degree tempered glass view to show off your artwork. But where this case really shines is its price point. At only $53 at the time of this review, this is an outstanding value with very attractive design and ton of configuration options for your work with your PC hardware. If you're in the market for a new PC case with tight budget or even high budget, I highly recommend you should check out Gamemax Vista PC case. It offers all the great design aesthetics with premium material for a fraction of a cost. Let me know what you guys think of this PC case review in the comments below. Please like and sub to the channel, it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.